Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make custom alarms for Android. Creating custom alarms on Android is a fun way to add a personal touch to your wake up routine. Here's a step-by-step guide to make your own alarm sounds or use custom sounds for your alarm. Recording a custom sound. Use a voice recorder app. Most Androids have one pre-installed. To start this, open the app. To record your own alarm sound is by tapping the red record button. Once done, tap on the stop button, the box icon, then go ahead and name it. Then hit save. Just make sure it's saved in an accessible location like your audio files. Now, let's place your custom sound file in the alarms folder of your Android device for it to appear in the alarm sound list. Open the File Manager app. Locate the audio file that you've been recorded. Example, audio files. Tap on it. Then hold on to the recently recorded voice. Then tap on Move. Choose Alarms. Then tap on Move here. Now, open the Clock app on your Android device. Set a new alarm or edit an existing one. So for me, I'm going to set a new, so I tap the plus button. Then tap on the alarm sound. Now tap on ringtone. Then tap allow. Now look for the voice alarm sound or ringtone option. Tap on it. Then tap on back to save it. Set the alarm to ring in a few minutes to make sure it sounds as expected. Then tap on save. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.